Although Congress is on recess, members quickly returned to our nation's capital last week and passed the Inflation Reduction Act. This trimmed-down version of President Biden's Build Back Better legislation does a couple of things. It puts roughly $370 billion in new spending towards reducing greenhouse gas emissions, investing in clean energy technologies, and extends subsidies for the Affordable Care Act, including allowing Medicare to directly negotiate prices for prescription drugs and capping recipients' annual out-of-pocket drug costs. Democrats say the bill will bring in $300 billion in new revenue streams because it will impose a 15% tax on corporations making over $1 billion. And it also puts billions towards the deficit. While Democrats see this as a win, Republicans are slamming the bill, calling it excessive, and have doubts that this legislation will even reduce inflation. Our local congressional members, including Representatives Fred Keller, Glenn Thompson, and Mike Kelly, all voted no on the bill. In a statement, Kelly says in part, this bill is loaded with bad policy and wasteful spending that will worsen inflation, expand government, and hurt the middle class. Thompson says in part, the bill will cost taxpayers billions to fund it, and adds that it will also add 87,000 new IRS agents to target the lowest income earners in an attempt to normalize audits. On the other side of the aisle, Democrats like Senator Bob Casey call it a fiscally responsible bill. In a statement, he says in part, as families across Pennsylvania and the nation are being squeezed by inflation, Democrats are tackling this problem head-on. The Inflation Reduction Act will lower health care and energy costs for families while creating well-paying jobs to transition the U.S. to clean energy and tackle the climate crisis. At the Capitol, Rachel Knapp reporting.